Well, hey you guys, welcome back to another episode with the Canning Nana. And today is a cooking day, and I'm going to show you how to do Italian sausage, since I didn't do that when I did my Sicilian meatballs or my meat sauce. So I'm going to show you now how to do this, and these are just regular Italian sausages. Actually, these have hatch chilies in them. I've never had them, but I'm making a dish that will be in a separate video, and I will put that up for you guys. But I want to show you how to do this. Super easy. When you make sauce, you just want to brown your sausages. So I do a cast iron skillet, and I spray it just a little bit, and then I put them in. I poke them, and I've already done that, but you pierce them, and then you put them in the pan that you're using, and you let it get really hot. I will show you that. And then you put water in it. So that is my secret, is water. Okay, so we are gonna wait for these to get hot and sizzling, and then I'm gonna show you how to add the water. Okay, so we are back, these are sizzling. Add some water. And then you just want to brown them. So you just want to cook them until they're brown. And then if you're making sauce, you're going to just add them to your sauce. So you want both sides to look like that, right there. And basically, you don't cook them all the way when you're making sauce. You just put them into the sauce, and they finish cooking. And really, that's it. So brown them on both sides until they look like this, and then add them to your sauce, and you have Italian sausage. Simple, right? See, I told you guys it'd be really simple. So if you want to make sausage with your meatballs and your sauce, this is how you do it. If you're heating up sauce for another day, if you canned your sauce, you can make fresh sausage like this and just cook it all the way through and add it to your sauce while your sauce is warming for the last 10 or 15 minutes, and be nice and warm, and it'll have that tomato infused flavor. So I hope you guys like this video, and next up is my Italian sausage and peppers. So it's our meal tonight, and that's what we're using these sausages for. Thanks for watching, you guys.